trip in Williams, we are stopping at the deer farm. This deer farm was established in 1969, where they have a bunch of little deer in the back that we're gonna get to feed today. So come on, let's go feed deer. Oh, guys, calm down. Whoa! And we are feeding all of them, and they are kind of crazy. Oh, that's my toe. That's my toe. That's not food. Hi, look, look. Got my shoe. Hey, girl. Okay, I'm out. See that? I'm out. Now is Ginger by herself, or do you guys have an? Oh my goodness! Look. Oh, how cute.
This is Gracie.
Hi, Gracie.
That is sweet.
Yeah, she probably weighs 250
Wow,
pounds or so.
she's big. Do they mate every, like, do you have the mom and dad mate every year, or is this just like
right
an
now, I
accident?
think we're just kind of on hold. But Erwin says please. Aw.
Those are basically street sweeper rollers. They act as artificial bushes for them to be able to shed the velvet on.
Are they all born here, or?
Basically, all of them are born here. Occasionally we get some new blood. We've got Prince, who's a new young buck to bring in some new blood.
Oh, okay. You're so sweet. You're a sweet one. He keeps coming back.
Yes.
That's mine.
They ate my lens cleaner.
That one looks like he's full of attitude. Take a deer with you.